Hey friends, Assalamu alaikum. Welcome to my channel Salwa's Delicious Kitchen. I'm back with the most favorite recipe of many of you here, including me as well. Whenever we say roasted chicken, the first thing what pops up in our mind is KFC, Kentucky Fried Chicken. If you are a person like me who always wanted to make the perfect replica of Kentucky Fried Chicken, then this recipe is for you. After many experiments and failed attempts, I finally came up with this recipe which is just perfect. I mean, just 99% like KFC, or you can say much more better when we make it at home. And before we move to the recipe, just a light reminder for those who have not subscribed my channel yet, please do subscribe and hit the bell icon for the earliest updates. And here are the ingredients what I have taken to marinate. I would not say marinate, to soak the chicken pieces in. And this is 1 kg chicken with skin cut into large pieces with some slits, or you can just break it with the knife. 2 cups of laban. Laban is nothing but it's fermented milk. So in case you don't have, you can always take 2 cups of milk with 1 tablespoon of lemon so that it curdles and becomes laban. And 1 teaspoon of fresh ginger garlic paste, 1 teaspoon of freshly powdered pepper powder, salt as per taste, and 1 cube of Knorr chicken stock. You can even take Maggi, that's fine. Now here in the bowl, I'm taking all these 3 ingredients: ginger, garlic, pepper, salt, and also the chicken stock, and just mixing the chicken stock so that no lumps remain and it gets mixed well in the laban. Here I just poured the laban. Just take care and mix it well so that the pepper, salt, and especially the chicken stock gets mixed well. And now one by one you can dip in all the chicken pieces. Now I have soaked it in this, and then this will be in the refrigerator for minimum 4 hours. Here I have taken 2 cups of all-purpose flour, half cup of corn flour, and these are the seasoning ingredients. 1 tablespoon of red chili powder, you can even take paprika, and then coriander powder 1 teaspoon, 1 tablespoon of onion powder, 1 tablespoon of ginger powder, oregano 1 teaspoon, and turmeric powder half teaspoon, 1 teaspoon of pepper powder, and you can even take thyme or mixed Italian seasoning. I did not have, I just had this, and salt as per taste. And also you can use garlic powder, but then I did not have it at home, then I did not use it. Here you have seen I've added all the seasoning ingredients to this and then to the flour along with the corn flour and mixed it well. Here my the flour was ready. Here my chicken was refrigerated for 3 hours. You can even minimum keep it for 3 hours, or at least maximum, more the better I would say. And then see, I'm not too much forwarding the video here so that I can show you clearly. This is very important step to get the perfect texture and the crunch. See, first I took the chicken from there, and I mean the laban, and then dipped it in the flour well. And then after coating it well, I just dipped it in the plain water, just normal temperature plain water, and make sure in the plain water you just keep it for 2 to 3 seconds minimum. That is very important as well. See, I've just kept it for seconds, and then this was the second turn. Again back to the flour, and again to the water, and again flour. So 3 times flour and twice in the water. This is actually from here directly goes to the oil, but then I just wanted to show it properly so that you can understand it well. So here one more piece, I've just put it in the flour now, well coated, and then in the water for 2 to 3 seconds, again back in the flour, mix well, and then again for 3 seconds in the water. Now again dip it well. See the chicken, now it's well coated. Now that was done, and then on the medium flame deep fry these chicken pieces. I just made sure with just a pinch of batter that the oil was hot enough. And here you can see, this is very important, do not touch the chicken at the beginning for a few seconds till it starts to fry well. And then here I was coating the chicken, and directly it went to the oil. Now you can see that perfect texture. Doesn't it really look like a KFC? You really have to try this recipe to trust me, because not every time you're going to trust my words. So make it to believe it. And believe me, I was so much excited to show you the crunchiness outside and the moistness inside that I straight away went to the balcony to shoot this one. And I hope you can see it in the video, the perfect texture. And here is our yummy, delicious, and super crunchy Kentucky Fried Chicken ready. Do make this quick and simple yet delicious recipe at home and serve your loved ones. And do not forget to comment below your feedback, and do hit a like and share this recipe with your family. So, coming to the extra points, this is a mild spicy recipe. So, in case you want it to be spicy, please add chili powder according to your taste. And please also follow the exact measurements of the ingredients, which is given in the description box below. And as we still fight with this virus COVID-19, stay home and stay safe. Take care, guys. Hope you all have subscribed to my channel till now. If not, please do. And thank you so much for watching. Bye bye.